What if I told you there are 5 completely free AI tools that regular people are using right now to make over $300 a day? No coding skills. No marketing degree. No startup capital. These are tools that anyone with a laptop and internet connection can start using today. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how each one works and how to start making money with them this week. The first tool is one you probably already know but are not using to its full potential. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. It is a money printing machine if you know how to use it. Here is the exact workflow. Go to platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. Search for writing gigs, blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, social media content. Businesses are desperate for content and most of them do not care if you use AI to help you write it. They care about quality and speed. Use ChatGPT to draft the content, then spend 10 to 15 minutes editing it to add your personal touch, fix any errors, and make it sound natural. A single blog post pays anywhere from $50 to $200. Write 3 or 4 per day and you are easily hitting $300. The key is to never submit raw AI output. Always edit, always add value, always make it better than what the AI gave you. Tool number 2 is Canva, specifically its AI features. Canva now has Magic Design, Magic Write, and text-to-image built right in. This means you can offer professional design services without being a designer. Think about it. Small businesses need logos, social media posts, flyers, business cards, and presentations. Most of them cannot afford a professional designer who charges thousands. But they will happily pay you $50 to $150 to create something that looks professional. With Canva AI, you can generate design concepts in seconds, customize them in minutes, and deliver polished work in under an hour. Set up profiles on Fiverr and Upwork offering social media design packages. A package of 30 social media posts for $500 is common. That is less than 20 minutes of work per post when you are using AI. The profit margins are insane. Tool number 3 is ElevenLabs, and this one is a game changer for the voiceover industry. ElevenLabs creates AI voices that sound indistinguishable from real human voices. You can clone your own voice and then use AI to generate voiceovers in minutes instead of hours. The voiceover market is massive. Explainer videos, audiobooks, podcast intros, corporate training videos, YouTube channels. All of these need voiceover work. On Fiverr alone, voiceover gigs range from $25 to $500 depending on length and quality. Here is the strategy. Record a few minutes of your natural voice to create your voice clone. Then use ElevenLabs to generate voiceovers from scripts that clients send you. A 5-minute voiceover that would normally take an hour to record and edit can be done in 5 minutes. You can take on 10 times more clients than a traditional voiceover artist. Tool number 4 is Midjourney for creating and selling digital products. This is where passive income gets real. Use Midjourney to create digital art, printable wall art, coloring book pages, t-shirt designs, phone wallpapers, and social media templates. Then sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. Here is why this works so well. You create the product once and sell it unlimited times. A single digital art print that took you 5 minutes to generate with Midjourney can sell hundreds of times at $10 to $20 each. Some sellers on Etsy are making $5,000 to $10,000 per month purely from AI-generated digital downloads. The startup cost is basically zero. You do not need inventory, shipping, or customer service for digital products. Create 50 designs, list them, optimize your titles and tags for search, and let the platforms bring customers to you. The 5th tool is Claude AI, and this is the one most people are sleeping on. Claude is exceptional at analyzing data, writing business documents, and creating automation workflows. Here is how you turn this into money. Offer AI consulting services to small businesses. Most small business owners know AI exists but have no idea how to use it. You become the bridge. Charge businesses $200 to $500 to set up AI workflows that save them hours every week. Automate their email responses, create their social media content calendar, analyze their sales data, write their proposals. A single client paying you $500 per month for ongoing AI automation support is realistic. Get 5 clients and that is $2,500 per month recurring revenue. The best part is the work gets easier over time because you build templates and systems you can reuse. Start by offering free AI audits to local businesses. Show them how much time and money they are wasting. Then offer to fix it. If this video helped you see the potential of AI for making money, hit subscribe and the notification bell. I post new AI money strategies every week. Drop a comment telling me which tool you are going to try first.